Greetings and salutations, everybody. Rad Dreams here, and welcome to Rad Dreams Review. Today, we are going to be opening up some expensive cardboard. So I hope you are looking forward to that. Way back in September, I pre-ordered the Tamer's Evolution Box for the new Digimon TCG, and at the time, it only cost $80 for the pre-order, and now these boxes are selling upwards of $300 a pop. I've seen the high-end ones go for like $375-ish. The prices do vary a little bit, but we are gonna open my sealed box today and kind of show you the contents inside. And we're gonna look at the beautiful artwork and see what all the hubbub's about. So definitely look forward to that. And if you do like these videos, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Your support is always appreciated. So without further ado, let's open up this box, okay? All right, we have our sealed box out right now. This is kind of the container it comes in. It's really, really well sealed. The box itself is in very good condition. And you can see, the Tamer's Evolution Box, PB-01. So we got our box cutter here to open up this box. So let us see the contents inside. The seal has been broken. There we go. I'm going to try my best to keep this box that came in very good condition. Ooh, this is very pretty. Oh, very, very good looking box right here. Oh, you can see at the top, we have the different crests from the Digidestined. Very, very cool. This is the kind of front right here. Tamer's Evolution Box. And then this is the other end right here. Oops, let's flip it over, get a better look. Here are the sprite versions of the Digimon themselves. Very, very cool. So let's open up this plastic here. Use the box cutter there just to get a good... there we go. Alright, there goes the plastic. Kind of put that in there. Kind of toss this to the side. There we go. All right, let us open up the box itself here. Oh, actually, let's look at this first. That is beautiful artwork on the box. Very, very pretty. We've got Anjawomon, we got Magna Angemon, we got Zudomon, Mega Kabuterimon, Lilymon, Metal Garurumon, War Greymon, and we got Garudamon. Very, very pretty. Love it. All right, let's see what's inside. Boom. This is just filler paper, or filler cardboard, I should say. So we'll kind of put that to the side. Playmat. That is a good looking playmat. I'm gonna do a closer look here for y'all. Oh, that's so nice. Very, very good quality. I don't see anything wrong with this at all. Kind of remove the plastic here. Get a feel for the actual playmat itself. So it's like a It's almost like a rubber, almost like a cloth rubber. Like this is kind of a clothy feel right here. And then on the back, it's kind of like rubbery. And is there any stitching? So there's no stitching, which is fine. We'll keep this in the plastic for now until I get a actual kind of storage cube for it. So we'll set that on top of my current playmat. And let's see what else we got in here. We've got a memory gauge. We got the Digivolution line for Metal Garurumon on the left for player 2. And then on the right, let's flip it over here. We got the Digivolution line for War Greymon. And I love that they are in their kind of 16-bit forms that are, I think these were on the Tamagotchis when they first came out on for the Digimon. I think that's what these are from, if I'm not mistaken. I could be, but if I am, let me know in the comments below. For sure. So now there's one more item in the box itself. We've got a deck box. In the front, we've got the Digi-Egg. Kind of background there. Very nice. We've got some babies on the background. On the side right here. Different sort of Digimon on the side. On the back. Even more. And then even more here. So let's open up this plastic. Yeah. Where is my box cutter? I'm going to try to be very careful here. There we go. Oh, this feels amazing. The texture of the box itself is a little coarse, which I don't mind at all. It's it's like a really kind of a hard plastic. So that's really nice, and it has Velcro. Battle and Evolution! Exclamation point! So the interior comes with these sleeves. So let's kind of open up this plastic and take a gander at these sleeves. So these are for the Digitama, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kind of put those there. And then these are for the main deck. Each crest. Very, very nice. Very good condition. Big fan of these. There's 50 of these. So I'll put that right there. And then here are the individual cards themselves. Ooh, but actually, before we take a look at the cards, look at the beautiful artwork, it actually comes with a divider as well. I didn't know about this. That's really awesome. It's a really good looking divider. I like that. It's coarse. You know, if you kind of hear that. And it's very hard plastic. So very good condition right there. Love it. And let's look at these cards. Oh! I didn't know that. There's the Japanese on this side and the English on the other. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't know that. So I got an English set and a Japanese set. Oh my god. That's amazing. So let's go through these. We'll open up the plastic here. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. So we got Shadow Wing. Just look at that. Condition is perfect. There's slight whitening. Oh, right there. But it's not anything substantial. So I'll put that there. And we will sleeve these and put them in top loaders for the collection. Here we go. Gaia Force. Oh, look at that card. Oh my god. That is beautiful. This card itself, I've seen being sold for $200. Oh, that is some nice looking, expensive cardboard. So let's look at the back. Zero whitening. Centering is perfect. Centering is, I would argue, is perfect on the front. Surface looks amazing. I would argue that this is a perfect 10 in terms of quality. So I'll put him down. We've got Hammer Spark. Just look at that art. Oh my god. They really outdid themselves here with this artwork. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. Again, condition. Perfect. Kind of move this. There we go. Perfect. Let's look at Kakaitis Breath with Garurumon here. The foiling is very well done, and it's not curled, which is phenomenal. Oh, hold on. Yep, no whitening. Very nice. Put that down. And we've got Heaven's Gate with Magna Angemon. It's a beautiful card. Beautiful artwork. Again, the condition of these cards are immaculate. Okay, this is definitely my favorite artwork right now. Heaven's Charm with Anjawomon on it. The detail on this one, very well done. Let's look at the back. Let's see. Slight whitening, but not a lot. The left corner, there's a little bit. Probably like 9.5 in terms of quality. So we'll put that there. Here's the plastic. We'll kind of throw that to the side. Mega Kabuterimon. Ooh! I really like the design on his exoskeleton. And you can see his horn is charging up for Hornbuster here. Oh, that's just beautiful. Oh, and the lightning is like kind of foiled on it. Very, very cool. Little bit of whitening right there. And right there. Small amount. Yeah, I would say the edges are about a 9.5 in terms of quality. So we'll kind of move these a little bit. And then we will open the Japanese set and kind of lay those down as well. But lastly, we have Flower Cannon Lilymon here. This is amazing, amazing artwork. The foiling is just done extremely well. Cards are straight. This one has a small amount of whitening in the upper left, but not a lot. So I would say overall, I mean, the condition that these cards came in right out of the pack are just stellar. Now let's look at the Japanese cards. We'll kind of open the plastic here. Kind of set the plastic there. I kind of want to put those back in the plastic, and then we will, kind of sleeve everything. So the Japanese artwork isn't too different, obviously. Condition of shadowing is very good. Kind of put shadowing over there. We got our Japanese Gaia Force here. Our Japanese Hammer Spark. Kind of go a little bit faster with the Japanese version. Hope that's okay. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what your favorite artwork is for these Tamer Evolution cards. I would still say my favorite is Heaven's Charm. Second place goes to Gaia Force. And then I would say third place would be Flower Cannon, actually. In terms of my favorites. It's just really beautiful art. Japanese Hornbuster here. Little bit of whitening. And then finally, we've got Flower Cannon Japanese. Little bit of whitening. Not a lot. Yeah, overall, I mean, the quality, like I said before, is, almost perfect 10 for all these. I would argue that all of these range between the 9 and 10 range for like a PSA or like a Beckett rating for sure. Maybe I'll consider sending these off to get graded eventually. I would like to have that nice kind of packaging for each card to preserve them perfectly. So that is what comes in the Tamer's Evolution Box that was released by Bandai for the Digimon TCG game. And again, let me know in the comments below what your favorite artwork is, because I'm curious. I'm curious what you guys think. But yeah, that's what we got in the box. How about that opening for the Tamer's Evolution Box for the Digimon TCG? That is some beautiful, beautiful looking cardboard there. Primo material for sure. I'm very happy that I was able to take advantage of the pre-order when I did back in September, because I would not personally buy one of these right now off of a reseller for $300+. That's too rich for my blood, unfortunately. But again, huge fan of this box. I definitely think I got my money's worth in terms of the content that was within the box itself. I got a playmat, got a deck box, we got a storage container, the long rectangle, storage container. We got the 8 copies of those cards for both English and Japanese. So the fact that I got a English set and a Japanese set together is insane to me, because I had no clue before I opened that I was going to be getting the Japanese cards. That's just almost like a belated Christmas gift, if you will. But I had a lot of fun opening up this box for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the box opening as well. And if you like these kinds of videos, feel free to, again, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you all stay safe out there. And as always, I hope you stay rad.